You're creeping up a rocky trail in almost complete silence. Doors off, sky above you through a massive panoramic roof, and under your right foot, 650 horsepower and 620 pound-feet of instant electric torque. This isn't a Wrangler, and it's not a gas V6. This is the 2026 Jeep Recon EV, a fully electric, mid-size, four-wheel drive SUV built to crawl over rocks, blast to 60 in a claimed 3.6 seconds, and still handle your daily commute. If you live in the US and you care about real features, not just EV buzzwords, we're going through what the Recon EV actually offers: power, off-road hardware, and what you're getting for that price. New and designed off-road DNA. The Recon EV joins the lineup in 2026 as Jeep's second all-electric model, right alongside the Wagoneer S. But unlike a lot of electric SUVs that never leave pavement, this one is built to go play in the dirt. It's a mid-size SUV riding on Stellantis's STLA-Large unibody platform. The same basic architecture as the Wagoneer S, but tuned for off-road first, not just highway comfort. Styling-wise, it's got retro modern looks, boxy stance, upright front end, short overhangs for better off-road angles, and most importantly, an available power folding roof and easily removable doors. The launch model is the Moab trim, named after one of the most legendary off-road playgrounds in the US. It comes standard with a swing-out tailgate with a full-size spare tire, 33-inch Nexen Roadian all-terrain tires. Motors. Performance. The 2026 Jeep Recon EV uses dual electric motors, one up front, one in the rear. Together, they deliver 650 horsepower and 620 pound-feet of torque. That's serious muscle in any SUV, gas or electric. Power goes to all four wheels through standard all-wheel drive. But this isn't just all-weather AWD. Jeep has built in an electric locking differential for serious traction and a select terrain traction management system with dedicated rock, sand, and snow loads. Jeep says they've carefully tuned the accelerator pedal so you can manage that huge torque with controlled and precise inputs off-road. On-road, the Recon is no slouch either. Jeep estimates a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 3.6 seconds. To put that in perspective, that's mighty quick for a mid-size SUV. Range, battery, and charging. The 2026 Recon EV uses a 100.5 kilowatt-hour battery pack and a 400-volt electric architecture. Jeep says the Moab launch trim will offer up to 230 miles of all-electric range. They've also confirmed a future trim that's expected to stretch that to around 250 miles. For daily commuting and normal errands, 230 to 250 miles is plenty. On a DC fast charger, Jeep claims 20 to 80% in about 28 minutes. That's a coffee stop, a quick meal, maybe a stretch of the legs. On a level 2 home charger, 240 volt, expect 5 to 80% in roughly 7 hours. That's overnight in your garage. On a regular 110-volt household outlet, you're looking at up to 52 hours for 5 to 80%. That's your only in a pinch option, not your everyday plan. Interior. Comfort, and price. Inside, the Recon EV doesn't go bare bones just because it's trail-ready. Front row, the Moab trim comes with faux leather, capri leatherette upholstery, heated front seats as standard, with options for ventilated seats and a digital rear-view mirror for better visibility. Second row, a 60/40 split bench is standard, and you can get heated second-row seats with the optional comfort package. Nice if you've got passengers in colder climates. You get 30.3 cubic feet of space behind the rear seats. A 14.5-inch central infotainment display dominates the dash, backed up by a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster for the driver. Price: the 2026 Jeep Recon EV is expected to start at $69,585 for the Moab launch trim. It's not cheap, but when you stack that against other electric SUVs with far less off-road focus, or traditional off-road rigs with no EV tech, the Recon sits in a very interesting middle ground. On your screen right now, I've queued up another video where I break down the Jeep Cherokee and top upcoming electric SUVs side by side. Go ahead and click that video, and I'll see you there.